Selfie ring light. Selfie lamp and cell phone holder for video recording provides LED light for phone and video conference light for selfies, instructional videos, photography projects, vlogging, and social live streaming, beauty, makeup recording. Flexible tabletop ring light. Portable travel ring light with cell phone holder stand features a bendable gooseneck lamp with a sturdy and durable clamp that holds its position. Lighting stand clamp stands approximately 24 tall when outstretched. 3 color level modes. Cell phone holder with light features 3 ring light with dimmer color modes and 10 brightness levels to enhance and balance out uneven lighting for stream studio quality, front-facing selfie camera and video diva light. Universal compatibility. Selfie ring light for iPhone and Android adjusts to fit smartphones up to 6.5 wide. Cell phone stand and light clasps onto any table or desktop 2.75 thick. Ring lights with stand and phone holder easily rotates and holds firm. TalkWorks quality. Cell phone and light stand offers a professional-grade studio-quality USB camera light with a 65 reach from your power source, and includes a built-in remote control on the cord with on, off, color mode, and brightness level buttons. Top reviews from the United States. I have been using this for virtual conference calls because the image on my phone is better than the one on my laptop. Plus, using the phone frees up my laptop if I need to type anything or look at materials. The light is perfect, warm and flattering. I can angle it and the phone camera any way that I want. I like this so much that I bought it for my friend for her birthday.